Now we all love a good porterhouse fillet of beef and Scotch fillet, but in these days we really need to focus on sustainability, meaning we should use the whole beast. I love secondary cuts and I think we should be using them more. For example, this is a beef cheek. Now I know a piece of meat just like this doesn't look that appealing, but all of this fat and sinew equals flavour. Along with this one over here, which is short ribs, it's got the bone in it and a lot of fat. That is going to keep it moist throughout the cooking process. You just need to ensure you cook it right, and these cuts work the best when they're slow cooked. It's all about sealing them off and then cooking them in lots of liquid like stock. If you cook that long and slow, then the meat is just meltingly soft, particularly in the winter seasons. Also, use good quality meat. I like to use organic Australian beef just like this. It's going to taste better and it's also going to support our Aussie farmers.